In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Docusign envelope ID, and we'll do it in about 5 minutes. Let's dive in and break down this process step by step so you can follow along easily. First, we'll start by navigating to the Docusign website. This is your go-to place for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. It's important because everything we'll do will be accessed from this site. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on Log In. You'll need to enter your login details here, so have those ready. If you haven't used Docusign in a while, make sure you remember your password or have it saved in a secure place. Once you're in, the next step is to head over to Docusign's main user interface. You'll see various options depending on your permissions, but for our task, we need to focus on the Agreements section. Click on Agreements, which is generally located in the menu or dashboard on your Docusign app. This section houses all of your active documents and envelopes that need attention or action. Now, look for the specific document whose envelope ID you want to move. It's helpful if you know the name or the content of the document you're looking for, as you may have several documents listed. Click on the document once you've located it. This action will open up details and further actions you can take with that envelope. After you've opened the document, your next option, typically along the top or within a menu, will be Move. Click this option. That's literally it for moving your Docusign envelope ID within the app. It's just a select and click. It doesn't get much easier than that. But remember, moving the document may have implications depending on your team's processes or the structure of your account setup, so always make sure that what you're doing aligns with your organizational protocols. To wrap it all up, this intuitive process is part of why Docusign is a leader in electronic signatures. Its user-friendly interface and logical process flows mean that tasks like moving an envelope ID are simple, but incredibly efficient in ensuring your documentation is where you need it, when you need it. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, feel free to let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more guides and tutorials. See you next time, and happy signing.